Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money into your Citibank account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. So go to citi.com right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the home page from right here. On your mobile phone you just want to go ahead and download the application and open it up. So now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to be able to deposit money online, we're going to be showing you the way for offline as well, but to deposit it online you want to log into your account. So here you can go and log in. So if you do not already have a Citibank account, you can either open an account, or if you already have an account you can just go ahead and activate it online by clicking the activate button right here. So once you have gotten your account you can log in. So after logging in you'll be greeted by the home page, which is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, payments and so on. And now we can get started. So now as you can see right here in this article we have the deposit article for Citibank showing us how to deposit money. So we have options when you want to deposit funds into your account. You can go to a Citibank branch or an ATM and use the mobile check deposit, but you can also go ahead and use it via mail and the enhanced direct deposit. So you have multiple options right here that you can go and check out. So you have the enhanced direct deposit, which is an electronic deposit through the automated clearing house network of payroll. You have mobile check deposits, mailing deposits and so on. So basically once you open up your account and your dashboard right here, there's going to be an option to deposit your money. So basically what you can do is go to an ATM, and then it's going to enable you to use your Citibank card and your account info and input the card into the ATM or into your bank, wherever you want to go, even with your branch, and then you can deposit money how much you want. So basically you can go and bring your money, deposit it via those options, and all of them are available right here and how to do them directly on this website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.